maximum ki bagi you positive ki returnees. Report the positive, then go to quarantine through you procedure. The negative you are free to move. Ni pada ngintip ki ngisim ki bawan nang no ngisim ki details baro. Bo. Tiga jeng temu kajing kekam ke baga sorka ke tray pada ke debit tik ya ki baro ki bawan kan le daga artis test. Ada ki wan naga A naga B naga C naga D kimlait de nanu. Umde orang balik kerpang ini le duna ini. Keju hi kerkom eye services treatment ya baro ki bawan fa. Negative, you are free from that report only from that day of the report. Along free by national. Ja. Terdapat bila kampen lap kampen strengthen dia kata ke entry point, dan kata lah kampen strict juga ke entry point kadang bagi kita kum kita don kijai karakter kita ban avoid ki balik pun ba ki bagi kamru ban light naga banyak lingba juga tu entry point. Maklan enhance show ya ke manpower enhance ke manpower po ka NHM ru enhance ki manpower ki DO lah enhance. Nanti ki nurses lah and they directly manned by the health department, it manned by the district administration. So people are coming in, so they have to go through tests to everyone. So that naturally it'll take time. It's a very long queue. So many people are there. They cannot take 10 people to test at the 10 times at the same do the thing at the same time. They have to go batch by batch, no? One by one, batch by batch, they have to do the testing.